Hi everyone! Last weekend I went to a birthday party in Sao Paulo and some people wanted me to make the caipirinhas. They wanted the only gringa in the entire group to make drinks for them, right? So this is a group of Brazilians. And I was very confused, so I ended up asking a friend to teach me how to do it, and I wanted to make a little video with some English audio to help you and your gringo friends make caipirinhas. Pay attention to the verbs I use when doing the different actions, right? Enjoy!
So as you can see in this image, these are my friend Patrick's hands. He is slicing up lime, and he's going to add 1 lime for every drink that he makes. So if you're making drinks for 5 people, then you're going to want to have 5 limes for the total amount. As you notice, the lime slices are all about the same size, and that should help a little bit more when you add them to the shaker and smash them. So you want to get as much juice out of the lime as possible. So we call this a cocktail shaker, or simply shaker for short. Now he's going to add sugar to the mixture. He added 2 limes, and he's going to add 2 scoops of sugar for each lime. Okay, so 2 scoops of sugar for each drink. So in total here we had 4 scoops or 4 spoonfuls. Now he is smashing the limes, and he'll continue doing this for a while. He wants to get as much juice out as possible. So this goes on for about 20 more seconds. And then when he's done, he's going to add the ice and then the cachaça. The bottle you see in the background is Velho Barreiro or Velho Barreiro. And you can actually find that at Bevmo in the United States. It sells for about $17 per bottle. And I noticed actually in California that it's sold in pretty much every Bevmo store. Now we're adding ice, and pretty much the more ice you can fit in the container, the better. I think actually for one of these cocktail shakers, you can probably make 3 drinks maximum at a time. And now he's going to add the cachaça. And notice that there's a dispenser at the top of the cachaça. That's critical. So if you have that dispenser, you will add 5 seconds for each drink. So since there are 2 drinks inside this shaker, he added cachaça for a total of 10 seconds. If there's no dispenser, then you will have to calculate, maybe taste as you go along. All right, so he shakes for a while, and then once it's done, he takes off the lid, mixes it around, and it should look something like that. Now he adds some lime to each cup. He puts some lime in each cup and pours the liquid into the cup. And it's not so equal now, but that can be changed afterwards. That made a total of 2 drinks, but split up into 3 cups. And there you go, filled with pulp and with a lot of acid, a good amount of sugar. Everyone was ranting and raving about this caipirinha. All right, let's see what we learned. Slice. Slice the lime into equal pieces. Pour. Pour the finished mixture into the cups. Add. Add the sugar to the limes, or put. Put the sugar into the shaker. Shake. Shake the mixture well. Smash. Smash the limes until they turn into a pulp. Take off. Take off the lid before pouring. Taste. Taste the drink and see how good it tastes.